Dora the Explorer. Let's play sports. A lift the flap story. Hola, soy Dora. Today is sports day. Everyone is out playing their favorite sports. Boots loves sports, but he can't decide which sport to play. I have an idea. Let's explore all of the sports our friends are playing to help Boots pick a sport. Will you help us figure out the sport Boots wants to play for Sports Day? Muy bien! Vámonos! Look! Some of our friends are playing volleyball on the beach. Would you like to play a beach sport, Boots? What other sports can you play on the beach? Frisbee! The beach also has the sea. Hey Boots, do you want to play a sport in the sea? You can catch a wave on a surfboard like Swiper, or you could go for a swim like Val the octopus. What other sport could Boots try in the sea? Sailing! Boots still isn't sure which sport to play for Sports Day. Let's keep looking. Boots, you love to jump, right? Maybe you want to play a jumping sport. You can jump over hurdles in a race like Isa. What other jumping sport can Boots play? Basketball! Even Grumpy Old Troll is playing a sport today. He's playing catch with a football. Boots, do you want to play catch with a football today? Boots still isn't sure. Oh, I know. Boots, maybe you'd like to play my favorite sport. Do you know what my favorite sport is? Soccer! Ooh, the soccer ball bounced away. Will you get it, Boots? Muy bien! Boots swung a stick and hit the soccer ball all the way back to the field. Boots, you sure can swing. Do you know what sport you may want to play? Baseball! See, baseball is Boots' favorite sport. That's why he's called Baseball Boots. We did it! We helped Boots figure out what sport he wants to play. Now we can all play baseball together. Boots, do you want to hit or catch first? Wow! Boots hit a home run! I guess this really is his game. Thanks for helping us figure out what to play on Sports Day. What's your favorite sport? The end.